Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to find the RingConn 2 if you have lost it somewhere. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the RingConn app and make sure that you have the RingConn paired to your phone. And then we're going to click on settings, then click on ring settings, and then find my ring. And you have a few options, so location records, so it's going to show you the last location of the ring if you want that enabled. Or you can also do search for the ring, so it's just going to start searching for your ring if you have lost it, for example, somewhere in between the couch or something like that. So it's going to be searching for it. It has to be like pretty close, maybe in your house. You just need to walk around so it connects to Bluetooth. So we're just going to wait for it to search, and then it should appear right here underneath, so with the name of your RingConn. So click on location and it's going to show you where it is. So it's, for example, like, so I have it right here near the phone, and it shows it's right here within 1 meter. So if you just want to find it, for example, you also have the ring light option, so the light on your ring will light up and it's going to make it easier to find the ring itself. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.